So I tried signing in, and I hope this works now, but I don't have complete faith in this. And it's just crashing. I think the forum, I'm not sure why it's causing such a big fuss. I'll just close the forum. To try to refresh the news site. Definitely a problem here somewhere, not sure why. Alright, so this is the FreeCodeCamp news, and here you can have a full course on Node.js. It's a 1 minute read, so I'm just going to open it up. And then JSON crash course, an all-powerful front-end developer, Jamstack, WhatsApp clone, lots of interesting stuff. I'm just going to let's see. So you can actually watch this on YouTube. And YouTube is at about 2.5 hours, I think. Almost 3 hours.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Pete.
Great. So, each of these is its own little thing. How to create a platform game. You can watch a 3-hour watch, right? And then this is another 45 minutes. So definitely I recommend watching this, and I'll link it as well as I go through the courses, and I'll be checking these out myself, so when I do, I'll let you know, and I recommend that you check them out as well. I'll put them in the resource section in the courses. So deep learning. Are these orders? Should be a lot more. Let me just refresh this page again and see what other. I think this is all that they have for now. And you can see there's like 8,000 views here. This one using deep learning. Oh, the other thing is you can actually, type in HTML. I'm not sure why there's a thing there, but if you type in HTML. Okay, so auto populates. So their lessons, their guides, definitely something you can check out. And then there's live coding with Jesse, as well as other things. So let's look at some lessons. Let's look at some guides. So this is the guide to HTML inner HTML property. This is a DOM element. Don't worry if you don't know what these are right now. We'll go through these, and then this is also the what is this? The delete HTML elements. So this lessons. These are all the lessons, right? And then there's the guide to HTML web storage. Very cool. We'll go through these as well, I guess, later on. And then we also have some YouTube videos, and I also made some YouTube videos myself. So we definitely share that with everyone. And anyone who is part of my online course here, I will also let you into my community for free. Just yeah. Okay. So I think let's look at CSS. Actually, let's look at HTML5. 4. They have HTML4. 5. So 5. There's like I said, there's web storage, video, different elements, audio, required field, and SAS, which is more or less CSS. And there's also a few other courses, DOM elements. Why do they have Salesforce videos? Okay, I guess they have all kinds of stuff here, and then HTML, CSS. CSS, let's look at CSS. CSS, lessons, guides, YouTube again, full courses you can actually check out. This is about 28 minutes, cool. Close this. And then, yeah, so basically it's lessons, guides, and YouTube. And how do you go back to news is you go back to I don't know why it doesn't, really strange. Okay, so let's go back to FreeCodeCamp and let's go to news. These are all the courses that we already saw just now. I'm not sure if these are all on their channel. Maybe, yeah, they are all on their channel. So let's look at the YouTube channel of FreeCodeCamp. So here you can check out all the different videos they have. Just go to the home. So there's talks, there's tutorials up here, there's full courses in one video, concepts, as well as game programming tutorials, a day at, live coding with Jesse, JavaScript, Alexa skill development, and fundamentals. So in addition to all that I'm doing, be sure to check these out. And let's look at playlists. So these are all the different playlists. Coding with Jesse, JavaScript fundamentals, these are the main ones, and then a created playlist, which is hackathons, Python, resume reviews, HTML tutorials, top contributor parties, dev live, React tutorials, CSS tree in 30 days, logic for programmers, game programming tutorials, full courses in one video, serverless, and is that all? Okay. Okay, so cool. I think that concludes this video. Be sure to check out the FreeCodeCamp news for new news items, as well as go to the forums here for additional help, or just to talk about different things to get help getting a developer job, for example. Let's look at this. So it's quite a vibrant community, so definitely check it out. And just start a new topic, and just you can use Markdown, you can use BB code, HTML to format. You can always click, drag, and drop and paste images, and make sure that you put it in the right place. Either general, or in this specific case is getting a developer job, and then just create a new topic. Very simple, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you get lots of help with FreeCodeCamp, and look forward to my other classes as I go through the basics, HTML, CSS, applied visual design, applied accessibility, responsive web design, CSS frameworks like Flexbox, grids, and responsive web design projects. Okay, till then, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.